We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia Amber Alert. The Athens County Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a white 2020 Nissan Altima, Georgia license tag CRK4471. On September 3rd, 2021, St. Griffin Jones, a black male, 10 months old, was last seen at 112 Live Oak Circle, Athens, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of St. Griffin Jones or the white 2020 Nissan Altima, Georgia license tag CRK4471, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the Send or See app for iPhone and Android users.